Welcome back to my bathroom. Today we are dyeing my hair. I like to color my hair at home by myself, and the reason I do that is because if I mess it up, which I will, I have only myself to blame. I hate going to professionals, having them do my hair, hating it, and then I have to pay them. So the truth is, I'm gonna mess it up. It's gonna get messed up. It's never ever turned out the way that I expected, but I'd rather do that to myself. It's my hair. I do what I want with my hair. This is the hair dye that I use. It's gotten me the closest to the desired results out of anything that I've used so far, so this is what I like. It's called Hello Bubble by Mise en Scene. The color is Sunset Orange. Actually, the color is Africa Sunset Orange. My hair is not gonna be this color. I wish, maybe the ends will, but the whole hair is not gonna be that color, and that's okay. But it will be lighter, especially these roots. These roots are looking a little not how I desire them to look. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And today's video is featuring this swimsuit because it is all black and it won't get stained, hopefully, by the hair dye, because I'm gonna be in the shower at some point, or I'm probably gonna drip on myself, and I just don't want to make a mess, but I also don't want to be on camera naked, so there's nowhere on the box that it says you need to have these or use these, but I like to. So these are just some plastic caps to just keep it all inside my hair. All right, I'm gonna start in the back. Where are my gloves? So I had to do a few steps without you guys seeing because my camera died and I couldn't touch it because I had hair dye on my hands. But basically all I did is I took off the foil. Probably the front of my hair only had foil on for like not even 5 minutes. The back had it on for longer, obviously, until I finished. and then I took off the foil and I stuck my hair up in 2 of these plastic caps, and I can actually already see a little bit of color change happening, so I'm pleasantly surprised. I kind of feel like the foil did a little something. I'm not sure, but it feels like it. Anyways, I am going to wait now 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. Thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Not too loud. If I'm honest, it looks a lot brighter in the camera than it looks in the mirror. It looks a lot brighter here than it does over there. I don't think it's that orange, but I do think it's that cute. Alright, that's it. I'm finished. My hair is like 85% dry, and that's good enough for me because I can't be bothered to dry it the rest of the way. But anyways, this is probably going to be the last time that I dye my hair a lighter color than its natural color. I'll probably go back to black next time because I am experiencing a little bit of breakage, just a little bit. Of damage, but you know, if I have to keep up with this color, it's gonna become a lot, right? And that's what we don't want. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Happy 3-year anniversary to me and my locks. So on the 14th of September, it is my 3-year lock anniversary. I will have had locks for 3 years. I'm really happy with them. I think we're gonna go for many more years in the future, but some of you might have been expecting me to do a 3-year lock journey type video. Like I did a 1-year lock journey video. It's gonna be here, I think, here in the eye. But I don't know, I haven't decided yet. So I'll decide by Saturday. If Saturday's video isn't a 3-year lock journey video, well, you know what I decided. But anyways, thank you. Hope you liked this one. Thank you so much for watching. And you know, as usual, if you watched to the end of this video, it's not because you care about the hair. Let's be honest, okay? It's because you like me. You're enjoying me and my personality. And if you want to see more of that, guess what? I'm in all of my videos. So you should just go ahead and subscribe. Watch more. And I'll see you guys next time. So bye.